Fridge and freezer repair services in Malaysia. Professional fridge and freezer repair services in Malaysia, offering fast, reliable solutions for all brands and models. From cooling issues to compressor faults, expert technicians ensure your appliances run smoothly. Refrigerator defrost problems can lead to ice buildup, poor cooling, and spoiled food. Common causes include faulty defrost timers, heaters, or thermostats. Our company provides effective freezer repair services to both commercial and residential clients. Our staff makes sure your appliance is operational as soon as feasible. Now contact number 011333999706. Welcome to Quick Fix Repair Service.